Oh, sorry. Hey guys, it's Anna. And I've got my kitties. I made another video, a gymnastics video, but one thing. Not good. We did not talk very loud, and so this time we're going to talk really loud. Really loud. Much louder. Oh man, Gabe already lost a cap. Oh well.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is Gabe. He's good. He's a first cat. Alright. So Gabe, this is Mia. Mia is so cute. Here, switch cute. Okay. Gabe. This is Mia. Mia weighs less, but she's chubbier.
Got him.
Look how chubby that is.
Look how baby this little dude is. Wrong way.
Looks like Gabe's better in this. Look at Mia.
Does.
She has white paws. Gabe has brown paws.
Wow.
Alright, well, that's really it. Thanks for watching.
We
Oh yeah, and I'm here with Dakota.
Okay, yeah, that's the boring me.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.